Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Draw and Design Academy. My name is Calabo Beke Divine, and today I'll be showing you the types of triangle. I'll also tell you the characteristics of each type of triangle and how to inscribe and describe a given circle using a triangle. Stay with me and let's dive into today's business. So firstly, I'll click on draw, click on line. So we'll start with the first type of triangle, which is called what? The right angled triangle. So you tap, you can take your cursor to this position, any position in the drawing space. You tap, you drag the line down. Let's use a length of, let's say, 110 as 110 millimeters. Click on the blue tick to enter. Then you draw our horizontal line, let's say 85, and you click on the blue tick. Then you join it. The object snaps on, so it will be easy for you to do that. Just take the cursor to that edge and click and you tap. So we are done. So you can click on enter. So this is the first type of triangle we have here, the right angle triangle. So let's move it. Click on the object, right angle, click on move. Then you can drag the cursor to any point. You tap and you drag it up and you tap again. So that's the right angled triangle. Next, we'll do the isosceles. For a right angle triangle, note the angle from here now, this point and this point is 90 degrees. That's for a right angle triangle. Next, we have the isosceles triangle. For an isosceles triangle, two sides are equal. So let's draw it using this our right angled triangle. Let's just click on here, click on here, click on here, and you click copy. Okay, let's drag it here. Okay, let's keep it here. Click, tap, click enter. So we've copied the right angle triangle down, and we want to draw an isosceles triangle. We have different ways you can draw it, but I just find this other method interesting. So after that, you click on it again, the lines, or we could simply join it. So once you click on it, everything will be a single polyline. So let's join. So we click on it, it will be one, it will not be separate. Then we'll click on, we'll search for mirror, click on mirror, take a cursor. So let's use this as our object snap, and our tracking, we'll track it up, and you tap, and you drag the mirror straight downwards, and you will see that the other side will come out, and you tap again, and they will ask you here, mirror erase source object, click on no, so the both objects will remain. This is the source object, and this is the one we just mirrored. So now next thing we'll do is to trim the line running in between, that's this one. Alright, after trimming it, then we can now join them properly. Then join. So click on isosceles, click on move, then drag your cursor so any point close to it. Then let's tap and drag it. Tap. So that's our isosceles triangle. Then we have our scalene triangle. Click on draw, click on line. For the scalene triangle, the three sides are not equal, so let's just draw it anyhow you like. Just draw it, but make sure the three sides are not equal. So let's use here as 70. We use this other side as what, 120. Then we join it to this other point. Press enter. So this is our scalene triangle. So you click on scalene, click on move, drag, tap, okay. So you and you tap. Next up, we'll draw one more triangle. So who can tell me the triangle that is remaining here that we've not done yet? So alright, you're right, equilateral triangle. So let's draw it. Click on draw, click on line, you drag your cursor up, you tap, you extend it horizontally. You put the distance, click on the rectangle there, you put 120, you click on the blue tick, then you press enter. Next up, you click on draw again, click on line, you put it here, you drag it up, you tap, you drag it up. You know, for an equilateral triangle, the angles between them is what, 60. So the angle from here now to this point is supposed to be what, 60. So now we'll tap, I'll put the distance 120, and the angle is already 60, so we'll leave it the way it is. I'll click enter, and finally we drag it down here and tap. So this is going to be our what, equilateral triangle. We'll enter what, press enter. Next up, what? Use annotate. Let's copy this. Copy. Click on it. Drag it. Then we'll edit it. Click on it. Go to edit. Edit mtext. You can put equilateral. So this is our equilateral triangle. Next up, I'll be showing you how to inscribe a cycle in a given triangle and how to inscribe. So let's copy this triangle now. Let's move this upside to look fine. Alright. So let's copy the triangle. Copy from midpoint, drag down again, tap. Alright, press enter. So we've copied the triangle down. So in this first one, we're going to what? Inscribe a circle. To inscribe a circle inside a triangle, that means you're going to draw the circle inside this triangle. Normally, if you are to use paper, let's say you're drawing paper, you put your compass here, you bisect outside here, you put it here, you bisect outside. You repeat the same process here, you put your compass here, you bisect out here, you put it here, you bisect here. Then you draw a line from here to the midpoint of the two arcs. Draw another line here to the midpoint of the two arcs. But since you are using the AutoCAD mobile software, they've made it very easy. All we need to do is just go to this point, tap, and as you are moving, you see the triangle. You see, so this has already shown us that this is the midpoint. So we don't need to do any bisection. We just tap, and that's how simple it is. Then press enter. You repeat the same thing. Click on draw, click on line. You take it to this point. You tap, you drag it out. Once you see the object snap showing the midpoint, you tap, and you press enter. That's all. Very simple. You've gotten the midpoint for the cycle. So it's not that hard using this CAD software. Within 15 seconds, you can do everything. So next up, you click on draw, click on what? Cycle. So from that point where they are intersecting, you tap, then you drag the cycle to this other point. You see your object snap is on, you tap, save yourself the stress, and learn how to use AutoCAD mobile app. That's what I'm showing you here. Leave paper and pen. In this modern era, you don't need paper and pen for drawing, building plans or designs. So next up, I'll be showing you how you can do what? Inscribe a circle. It's actually the same process. Click on draw, click on line, you drag it here, tap, see how fast you can do it, tap, enter, click on draw, click on line, drag again from here, tap, very fast and easy. Once the what they call view is thing show, okay, tap, very what easy, press enter, click on cycle, and tap, this time from here to this point, and tap. That's all. So the next thing, you can choose to trim it. Trim the lines inside. Same thing here. Trim, and you're done. Press enter. Then tap this here. Inscribe. Move it. Tap. Tap. So this is the inscribed cycle. When you inscribe, you move again. Tap. Tap it, tap, and this is your inscribed cycle. So in our next video, I'll be talking about orthographic projection, how you can bring out an isometric drawing and convert it to orthographic projection. So we're also going to be shooting more videos in the future, so make sure you watch our next video. As you are proceeding, very soon I'll be teaching you how you can draw simple floor plans for self-contained and how you can draw a 3-bedroom flat floor plan. So stay with us and make sure you turn on notifications so any video we drop you'll be able to engage. Thank you and see you in our next video.